Now, in today's video, I just want to combine the next two topics into one. We're going to talk about surface area and volumes of three-dimensional figures. Now, surface area is just what the name implies. It's the area of all the surfaces added together. I don't memorize too many formulas for surface area because more often than not, it's just a very simple and straightforward process. A shape like this, a rectangular prism, there's 6 surfaces. Work out the area of each of the surfaces, add them together. No need for a formula. The only time you're going to need formulas is when you're dealing with shapes like spheres, cylinders, and cones. So a sphere, just like a tennis ball. Something like that. So long as you know the radius of the figure, its surface area is pretty straightforward. It's going to be 4 lots of pi r squared. Same as the area of a circle, times it by 4 and you have the surface area of a sphere. Cylinder. So once again, so long as you have the radius and the perpendicular height, surface area is pretty straightforward. It's going to be, well, there's 2 circles, top and bottom, so 2 pi r squared to give the area of both the circles, plus 2 pi rh will give you the body of the cylinder. Now be aware with cylinders, read the context of the question. Sometimes you will need to include both circles top and bottom for the surface area. Sometimes in the context of the question it might be a can that does not have a lid on it, in which case there's only 1 circle on the bottom. You adjust this formula accordingly. Sometimes you're just dealing with the body part only and it could be open at both ends, like a pipe for example, in which case you would just modify the formula again. Keep modifying this formula depending upon what particular components of the cylinder you have. Now, for a cone, once again, if you've got the radius, in this one you'll be told that length there, going down the sloping side. That's called the slant height. So the surface area here is going to be pi r squared, which will give you the circle at the bottom, plus pi rs, which will give you the area of the body that wraps around the circle. So they're your surface area formulas. Your volume formulas, so volume of a sphere is just going to be 4/3 pi r cubed. Surface area, squared units for area, volume, cubed units, so 4/3 pi r cubed for volume. Cylinder, now, volume of any prism is always straightforward. It's always the area of the constant cross section. In this case, the constant cross section is that circle that runs all the way through. So it's just going to be its area, which is pi r squared, times by the distance that that constant cross section travels over. In this case, the height. So volume of a cylinder will be pi r squared height. Surface area of a cone. Now, anything that's pyramid in shape, pyramid's got some sort of base, comes to a point. So here, I'm going to have to add in, we need to know that height. Now, so for a cone, it's exactly the same formula as the volume of a cylinder. But anything that's pyramid in shape is exactly the same formula as its appropriate prism, but divided by 3. So if you have any sort of a prism, rectangular prism, if I were to cut it to a pyramid, just use exactly the same formula that you did for that, and then divide by 3. So there's your surface area and volume formulas that you need to know about.